Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker and the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker. We'll explore their features, performance, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're hosting a party or just want quick ice for your drinks, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The SMUG Countertop Ice Maker boasts an impressive speed of producing 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making it a great choice for quick ice needs. In contrast, the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker takes about 18 minutes to produce its soft, chewable nugget ice. While the SMUG model is faster, the free VILLAGE offers a different type of ice that many prefer for its texture and chewability. When it comes to ice capacity, the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, which is quite sufficient for home use. However, the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker surpasses this with a capacity of 34 pounds in the same time frame, making it ideal for larger gatherings or parties where ice demand is higher. Both ice makers feature user-friendly designs. The SMUG model is portable and comes with a handle, making it easy to transport for camping or parties. On the other hand, the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker offers a one-click operation, simplifying the ice-making process even further. Each has its advantages, depending on your usage needs. In conclusion, both the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker and the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker have their unique strengths. If you prioritize speed and portability, the SMUG model is a fantastic choice. However, if you prefer chewable ice and a higher capacity, the free VILLAGE is the way to go. We hope this comparison helped you decide which ice maker suits your needs best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.